know that sugar is linked to mental health issues. We know that the mechanism is there through inflammation, insulin resistance, and gut dysbiosis and mitochondrial function. Great. Now what? Well, you can do a sugar detox. That's what. You don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to listen to me. Your body's the smartest doctor in the room. It'll tell you what's working, what's not working, and listen to your body. It's very smart. And listen to how you feel. I encourage everybody to do this. It's why I wrote my book, The 10-Day Detox Diet. I think 14 days is a little longer, and I encourage you to do that a little longer just to see what happens. But let's talk about how to do it. The first thing is you've got to get rid of all the flour and sugar, right? Get rid of all the high glycemic foods. Get rid of all the added sugar. Get rid of ultra-processed food. Stop all the refined flours, refined wheat flour, gluten, all those things. Get rid of those. My joke for bread is if you can stand on it, it doesn't smush, you can eat it. I was in Germany and they had these meat slicers in the house. I'm like, what is that for? It says, well, to slice the bread because it's so dense. It's made from whole grains. It's not made from flour. It's made from actual rye and grains. So you have to cut it with a meat slicer, like a deli meat slicer. I encourage also people to get rid of all the liquid sugar calories. Those are the worst. Sugar-sweetened beverages, teas, coffees, energy drinks, you name it, juices, just eliminate all of that.
Yep, 100%. Sugar is the enemy. It does so many damaging things to our body that we don't even understand. And really, it becomes a toxin to us. And why is that? Because we are over consuming it. It is everywhere. It is in things that we drink. It's hidden in all of our foods. We're adding it to things. I mean, you cannot get away. So on a daily basis, we are consuming too much sugar. Therefore, it is toxic to our body. What I always try to tell people when they say they're addicted to sugar is I do tell them, just like he was saying, I do tell them eliminate sugar, all the flours. I even say fruit for 2 weeks. Now, fruit is very healthy for you and very delicious, but you've got to trick the brain. You've got to remove it all the sweetness. And once those 2 weeks are over, you kind of reset yourself and then you don't really have those sugar addictions. We talked about the sugary drinks. Get rid of those 100%. You are just drinking sugar and you're not even really recognizing it. One thing that we've made a point to do with our Live Good powders is we've made them all with no added sugars and they still taste absolutely delicious. I mean, from our 2 protein powders, chocolate and vanilla, both unbelievable without added sugars. Our organic coffee, I mean, you go to your local coffee shop or Starbucks and you get some Frappuccino, guys, that has like 40 grams of sugar. It is crazy. And a lot of times that's how you're starting your morning. And then we have our organic super greens and super reds, both of them no added sugars. So we've made a point to keep those out of your diet while providing you tasty and delicious things to consume.